Time will heal the heavy, the load.
Sounds good, not true? Our island home continues to churn out stars from all aspects of the cultural and creative industry. This week on the Arts page, we bring to you the high points of the recently staged Jamaica Children's Gospel Finals and the IOJ's Junior Centers Award Ceremony. The Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, JCDC, stayed true to its mandate of creating opportunities that unearth, develop, preserve, and promote creative talents and expressions of the Jamaican people when it hosted its 10th annual Children's Gospel Finals. Under the theme Jubilee First Fruit of Harvest, the Gospel Finals delivered stellar performances. Patrons were treated to a spirited showcase from over 200 youngsters, ranging from ages 6 to 15. In the 6 to 10 years choir category, Kingston-based Hagley Park Preparatory copped top honors with their rendition of Mighty God. The institution's win also made history, as it is the only school on record to have won the same class and category consecutively since 2010. First-time entrants Corinalde Avenue Primary School of St. James placed second with their number Jesus Will Welcome Me. In the 11 to 15 years category, Orakabessa High School had to settle for second behind Arden High School. In the 6 to 10 ensemble section, St. James singing Jewels placed first. While the Melody Sisters of St. Catherine placed second. Ferncourt High School students Abigail and Justin won the senior ensemble category, while Sisters in Harmony placed second. Patrons also viewed stellar performances from contestants in the solo category. In the 6 to 10 age group, 8-year-old Remone Watson's breathtaking recital of 4 Days Late copped him the top prize, while Willowdean's Ashley Cummings was an outstanding second.
Lord, if you had been here, you could have healed him. He's still being alive. But your 4 days late, and all hope is gone.
Arden High School's Alex Anderson placed first in the 11 to 15 section, with Hanover's self-taught pianist and drummer Charles Blythe coming in a close second. The awardees were richly rewarded for their performances with scholarships, cash incentives, trophies, and gift packages. Up next, we visit the East Street offices of the Institute of Jamaica's Junior Center.
The Junior Center is where we have programs for youngsters between the ages of 6 to 18 years. It is a program where we have visual and performing arts, and we complement the curriculum that is offered in school. It is where we also have programs that include life skills, so we are developing the entire person.
The IOJ's Junior Center has been doing that and more since 1940. The center also offers after-school programs and computer classes for adults. On the day we visited, the center was having its end-of-year award and prize-giving ceremony. Some of the students' works were also on display. Proud parents, beaming students and their teachers streamed into the IOJ's lecture hall to not only reflect on work done in the year, but also to chart a course for the upcoming one.
I come to the Junior Center to participate in different activities like dancing, music, art and craft, needlecraft, paper making, drumming, and others.
I find that it's very diverse here. They have a special program for after school, arts, a lot of cultural activities, speech, drama, music. So I find it a very good program here.
What you've just seen is only a snippet, a little toops, of the raw natural talent our children possess. It is true, Jamaica is little, but we definitely tell a lot. This has been the Arts Page.